Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change your signature in Gmail. So firstly, open Gmail on your device. Then open the menu by clicking three horizontal lines in your upper left corner, and then scroll to the settings. Scroll down until you see signature settings. And here you can change your signature by clicking on your previous name of your signature and just change your signature, and then when you're done you need to submit by clicking done button. So that's how you change your signature in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.